your bed! You've been insulting me since! On your bed! I can't give you that because I'm hungry! Johnny, come back here! Johnny, come back here! I'm your mate! And you insult your money! I gave it to you! 9 months and 1 week! And you're insulting me, eh?
You won't kill him! Johnny, come here! You won't kill him! What did this boy do you? Wait, what be that key?
This is small boy, John. The girl insults me, mother. We carry her for 9 months and 1 week.
Hey.
You insulted me, Johnny.
What did it cost you?
He called me anti-monopolo geographicationalism.
Give me that. Lie down. Lie down. Next time, you no go call person and act him.
God have mercy upon us. Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Johnny. Now, if I call you, you cannot answer me. Because of that small flog I flog you, cannot answer me now. You're my father. I'm your son. Now come close. Hold your ears. Repeat after me. Buy rice.
Buy rice.
No, I mean buy rice.
No, I mean buy rice.
I said buy rice. Eh? Buy rice 200. Buy 2 meat. What did I say?
Buy rice 200. Buy 2 meat.
Continue.
Now. If you no come back here, now. Take. Now run. If you like, no come back early. I go. What is going on? Don't die. Don't die today. Sis! Just to go buy food. Sis! Give me my food, huh? Rubbish. I sit down open leg. They follow me sit down open leg. Face that side. Face that side.
Here is God. Oh.
If you look me,
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Bros, they enjoy you.
Oh, what a food with this. Johnny, why are you not eating now?
I don't feel like eating. But I can join you.
what happened?
We came fed.
Yeah!
Good for you. Thanks for watching that video. Please subscribe and share the video if you know what I mean. I'm going to come down.